Night was long, but the light's coming through. I see the sunrise, still thinking of you. Every tear that fell washed something clean. Now I'm standing in the space between. The pain is soft, the sky's brand new, and every drop feels like the truth. There's a soul in the morning rain, washing my heart from yesterday's pain. Every storm had to pass away to let my spirit rise today.
I hear the church bell in the distance call. It echoes deep through the soul of it all. Maybe heartbreak was the price I paid for the peace I found today. I've been broken, I've been torn, but now I'm reborn in the storm. There's a soul
In the morning rain, healing the scars, releasing the chain. Let the water fall and cleanse my pain, 'cause I'm alive again. Now I see the truth so clear.
every cry brought me here.
Love don't fade, it just changes form, and I'm still dancing